Black math, give me some math and I'll give you some flack. Black math.
One of my favorite topics in pre-algebra, we're going to talk about the trichotomy axiom. It sounds so nerdy, so you have to say it like that. Trichotomy axiom. So if you really want people to like you, you're at a place with a lot of your friends. You're like, hey, do you guys know about the trichotomy axiom? Let me tell you, this is what it is. And it sounds really smart. It sounds really nerdy, but it's really easy. Okay. Hey, Mark.
Yes.
This is what the trichotomy axiom is. So, two numbers. You got two numbers, right? The first number is either equal to the second number, or it's less than the second number, or greater than the second number. That's the trichotomy axiom. Okay? So there's only three options when you have two answers. When you have two numbers, there's only three options. The first number is equal to the second number, the first number is greater than the second number, or the first number is less than the second number. That's it. So, A equals B, A is less than B, or A is greater than B. That is the trichotomy axiom. That's it. There's no other option. Okay? So, if you don't know what A and B is, but you do know this, if A is not less than B, then what could it be? If A is not less than B, then what could it be?
Bigger or the same?
It could be bigger or the same. How do you say that in mathy terms?
I don't know. Equal
How do you
to,
say bigger than or the same?
equal to,
The little alligator.
Okay, what's the symbol look like?
The alligator.
Which
The line underneath.
you gotta let the alligator go.
Okay.
Let the alligator go. It's time to say goodbye. He helped you when you were a child.
No, I like that. I'm not ready to say goodbye yet.
But see,
The alligator was
you're gonna
the bigger numbers.
you're gonna confuse your alligator because we don't know what A or B is. So the alligator is gonna get really sad and depressed, and you probably have to put him in a psych ward, you know. And so it's better if you just set him free.
No.
Just let him swim
But he wants to eat the bigger number.
in the swamps of Florida. Okay, so what about this? What if A is not this to B, then what is it?
less than.
Less.
What does that say in English? A is
Not equal.
not equal to or less than. It's pointing left, so forget about the alligator. See how the alligator is just going to confuse you and confuse himself. So we got to let him go. Should we sing a little song? Alligator, you've been so good to me.
Oh, the alligator.
You helped me through some mathematical jams.
Oh my gosh. No.
Goodbye.
Yeah. So if it's not less than and it's not equal to, then what does it have to be?
More than.
It has to be greater than. Okay?
I've actually always been wanting to math, so.
Hey Daniel, why don't you move over to that table? Okay, so here's the deal. This is just process of elimination. That's all it is. Okay. So let's do some true/false statements. Okay, ready? True or false? -4. This symbol. 10. True or false?
True.
True. Wait.
False. Like, would you write T or F by it?
Yeah.
Alright.
No, that's true. That's true.
That's false.
Unless. Oh wait, not E. Oh, it's false.
Okay, so -4 is less than 10, right?
Oh, okay.
So
I
it's
wasn't paying attention to the
false.
line. I
It's
wasn't paying
false
attention to
because -4, it's false to say -4 is not less than 10. Okay, good. What about this? 7, this symbol, 3. Yeah,
False.
that's false. It is greater than. What about this? 6, this symbol, 6.
Equal?
That's false.
That's false.
Oh, wait, why
Because
did
it
I
equals. Because 6 equals
Because
6.
6 equals 6. That's right. So this is
Oh,
false.
yes.
So what about this?
That's 2.
That's true. because 6 is not less than 6. 6 equals 6. But see how this is false? Because 6 is not less than or equal to? No, 6 is equal to. So this would be true. This statement is true. And so is this. Okay? Does that make sense? Because this symbol means it could be equal to as well. Right? So 6 is equal to 6. That's true. If 6 is equal to or less than? Yeah.
Why does it have such a fancy sounding name if it's so simple?
Trichotomy axiom. Yeah, because it's. If you could, have you heard of a dichotomy? Do you know what a dichotomy is? It's like a battle between two logics, basically. A trichotomy axiom is a battle between three logics. Okay, so yeah, so we use this in life. When can you vote?
18.
18
I voted earlier
or
than that.
over.
25.
It's crazy that I'm gonna be able to vote in 8 years. Like that's insane.
Okay,
Oh my gosh.
so we say that.
You don't have time.
We say that, guys. We say you can vote when you're 18 or older. That's greater than or equal to 18, right? You can also say, when can you not vote? You can't vote when you're under 18.
You
In
can't
math-
vote when you're over 60.
But you can say, is it easier to say 18 years of age or older, or just not under 18?
You have to be
What?
at least
Wait,
18 to vote.
It means the same thing, right? So you can't vote when you're under 18 or when you're not 18 or over. So it's easier to say just under 18 at that point. Okay. So this is going to be used when we graph. You guys remember doing this? When we do this graph, and you guys did this on a test,
We did.
x is greater than -1. How do you graph that?
Okay. I know how.
Yes, Mark? He raised his hand.
So it would be
Come on, bro.
the negative would be shaded, right?
-1
this-
would not be shaded.
Come on.
No, like I meant. No, that's not what I meant.
Okay.
That's not what I meant.
Mark.
I meant. That's what I meant.
Okay, some of you are silent right now because you realize you did this wrong on the test.
No.
I did.
Some of you put open circles when it was this. This was what it was on the test.
Wait,
X is greater than or equal to
Yeah.
-1.
I know, that was too long.
So you have to fill it in, okay?
That would be really
No
easy.
flipping way, man.
So greater than or equal to, guys, listen. Equal to means I'm plotting the point on the graph. I'm putting a dot. It's like plotting a point on a plane, remember? You go over 2 and up 4, you put a dot. You don't put an open circle, you put a dot. So what does it mean to graph something? It means put a dot. And then this is just a bunch of dots together because all of these dots are true. All of these dots are greater than -1. But this dot is greater than or equal to -1. So you need to fill it in when it has a line under it. Another way to remember it, when do you fill it in, when you don't? If you have more, you have to use more lead to do the symbol. It takes more lead to do the graph. Okay? This takes more lines, this takes more lines. Okay? All right, what about this? Let's graph. Here's example 1. Graph x is this sorry.
I shall do this, mister.
How do you graph that?
Wait,
X,
graphic?
if you the line.
So we know it's going to start here, right? But now, which way do we go, and how do we fill it in?
doing
yes.
Oh.
You
Uh,
go
did it.
that way, the opposite
So
way.
you're going to go left.
Mhm.
This
So
says
X is bigger
this
than
says not to go left.
X is bigger than 2.
Okay, so
No, 2 is bigger.
2 is bigger than X. Oh,
Why
it's
is
not bigger. Oh my
2 is
god.
not. 2
Don't
is
we
not
color it
bigger
in?
than
Is that
2.
right?
Wait, so if it has a line through it, it's not.
so do we follow the dichotomy axiom, right?
So we're just going to the right with colored in.
Do we follow the bichotomy axiom?
No.
What's it called again?
The
Trichotomy axiom.
So if it's not that one thing, then it could be
two
what?
other ones.
It could be this. Remember, if it's not less than, then it could be greater than, or it could be equal to. We just eliminated one thing. We just eliminated that. So do you see how we have these two options? If it's not less than, this is only one symbol. It's not one of those double symbols where it has a line under it, right? So we've just eliminated that it's not less than, so it could be greater than or equal to. So see how these two things mean the same thing. You can vote if you're not under 18, right? Or the same thing is if you're 18 or over. It's kind of weird to say not under 18. That's weird, right? But you can vote if you're not under 18 or you're 18 or over. These two things mean the same thing. Does that make sense, guys? Not less than 2 means 2 or greater. Does that make sense? Does that make sense?
No.
Yeah.
You're just confusing me more.
Do you understand? Okay, don't forget about the 18 or over. But do you understand that there's 3 possible things? We've only eliminated one option. It can't be less than, so it could be this or this. Well, how do you say this with one symbol? Greater than or equal to. Okay?
Mark, walk
So
it.
see, it's not this one thing, so it could be the other 2. Okay?
Is this going to be on our final test?
Mark, if there
You're not doing the
are
final test.
if there are 3 marbles in the bag,
Remarkable.
green, red, and blue,
Green, red,
and it's
blue.
not the green one, then what could it be?
The red one.
Red or the blue? So if it's
Okay.
these are the 3 marbles. We've just eliminated that, so it could be this or this. You can say that. You could say x could be greater than 2 or x could be equal to 2, right? But we have a symbol that says both of them at the same time. Greater than or equal to 2. So it could be x is greater than 2 or x is equal to 2. If you wrote this on a math test, you just wasted your life. Because there's a symbol that says x is greater than or equal to 2. It's this guy. So this says 2 things in one thing. Okay? You could say that marble could be red, or it could be blue, or you could say that marble could be red or blue. Okay?
So if I were to put an answer on a...
Let's talk after class to make sure you get this. Unless you get it now. Do you
Yes,
understand?
I get it now.
Mr. Flack,
Yeah.
if I were to write that answer on the test, would it be like the one in the bubble?
Nope, you would write, this is a waste of time because there's a symbol that says that. Greater than or equal to. Right? Now, how do we graph greater than or equal to?
You put the
Like
the
the,
favorite
I
circle.
can't really do an air, but like
Fill it in or not fill it in?
Fill it in.
I don't.
Fill it
Don't
in.
fill it in.
I said shaded circle first. I gotta prove
And then
myself.
go that way.
I said it like 10 minutes ago.
Not 10 minutes ago.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so you could have probably figured out that if you're shade not left of 2, then you're gonna shade onto and to the right of. So this you don't shade left of 2. This is what that says. You could have graphed it right from here, but your test and your homework is gonna say write a normal inequality. This is called a negated inequality. Okay? But this is a normal inequality. So you're gonna have to go both ways on that. Okay, so let me show you. Let's do one more. See if you can graph this. Write the negated inequality, or write the normal inequality. I'm gonna tell you what it's not. I'm gonna tell you what it's not. I want you to tell me what it is, and I want you to graph it. Okay? Here's example 2. Graph x, this symbol, -1.
Okay.
Can I have a pencil?
What? X
Is this a free problem set?
I have
I
it.
don't have a pencil.
Okay, so you probably wrote it, now graph it.
Do I have it? Do I have this? Is this the correct answer?
Nope, it's not right.
No! What is
Well, then it has to be. It has to be the other way.
That's
No,
right.
could be.
That's right.
It's
Yeah,
what?
It's this.
Yours is right.
This is right?
Mr. Flash.
That's your shading,
Flash.
right?
Yes.
Mr. Flash.
It's
you
a
did
very
this,
beautiful
and I just do it the
shade
wrong way.
job.
I just did it the wrong way.
There's only two different entries you can do.
Yeah, that's right. No more like, what if it's ended? It's not shit.
What if it goes up though?
What on earth?
Is that
What on earth are you talking about?
Yeah, so it's open circle, but it goes the other way.
I don't.
See why it goes the other way?
Oh, yeah.
Because it doesn't go right.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the normal inequality? X is what?
It's not. Oh, it's. X is bigger than -1.
No.
Or it doesn't.
It's not.
I'm so confused.
What is it not? What is that symbol that I crossed out? What does that symbol mean?
It's not
Greater than or equal to. So it's not this, and it's not this. So what's the only thing left?
A.
This symbol,
Go up.
less than. So x is less than -1. So there's no line underneath it, so I'm not going to shade it in. I'm going to shade left, because it points left of -1. So 2 steps. This says what it's not, so this eliminates your possibilities. You write down whatever you're left with. So instead of A and B, you're writing X and -1. So what it's not is greater than and equal to. That's what that line underneath means. So this is what you're going to write. X is less than -1. That's what you're going to write. And you know how to graph it, because this symbol without a line underneath means open circle. And you're going to shade whatever direction it's pointing, left. Left means less. Left, less. Okay? So you're going to shade left or less than -1. So you have to get used to reading these inequalities left to right. Don't think about the alligator. The alligator is going to confuse you and himself. All right? So you have to read this as a mathematical statement. X is less than -1. So X, what your answer, your solution is, your shading is less than -1, left of -1. And it can't touch -1, so you need an open circle. Okay, so now you need to go backwards. I want you to write a normal inequality and a negated inequality of this graph.
Ah,
I can't do this.
You ran out of paper.
So I want you to write the inequality. X is blank of, so here's how you can start, right? You can start with an X and a -2, and you have to put the symbol there. What symbol goes there?
X is, oh wait.
Okay,
Writing it down.
flip it around.
Wait, we're supposed to graph that or?
No, wait,
I
just
have it.
graph it. You need
I
to-
have it.
So yeah,
Mr.
flip
Flash!
it around. So write
Mr.
the X
Flash!
first.
Oh, I have to
Mr.
write. Do I have?
Yeah, so that's not. So that's what it's not. So you can do.
No,
That,
my shoes
but
are
write the
pretty.
X
Hey,
first.
Mr. Flash, is this correct?
I have it. I have
Right.
it. Mark stole my answer.
That's
No.
right.
No.
Good
You
job.
sound like my cousin.
Good
Wait,
job.
so
Is
do
it
I
this?
just write
Is
X
this?
first?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's just because your X means shade, right?
Oh.
Shade.
He took my answer.
-2.
Is it this? He took my answer.
That's
There's
right.
No,
two
I did
answers.
not take your answer.
Okay,
But there's
so
two
you
answers.
told me what it is.
I'll give it back.
Now tell me what it isn't. This is what it is. Now tell me what it isn't.
I have it. I have it already.
I already have it.
Yeah, I saw yours.
Oh
What
wait.
are you doing?
Tell me what it
Oh,
isn't. Do a negated inequality.
I should have brought my phone so I could just smash it.
That's right. Good job.
Cause it's broken, so I just.
Yeah, you should.
So what is it not? There's only one thing that it's not, right? What is it? X is what?
Less than.
Less than.
It's not less than. Okay?
Let's go, Henry.
So if it's this, it's basically saying, okay, it could be this or this. What did I not circle?
The
less
one in the
than.
middle.
Okay?
The up arrow, the up arrow.
All right. Does this feel okay? You're going to get a question like this on your final test.
I ain't doing
If
that.
you're taking your
Am
final
I
test.
doing that? I want
No.
to need my new lesson.
You are doing that.
Okay, let's do one more lesson and we'll call it a day, okay?
Can I see my test now?
Nope, I'm gonna do one more lesson and we'll call it
I
a
thought
day.
you said one lesson now.
Yeah, I think I said do our lesson, like as in the day's lesson, I guess.
Mr. Flack, before the end of the year, can we do another one of those questions where every kid in the class gets algebra concepts?
Oh, maybe.
Like a really difficult question.
I've done a,
But we
Okay.
can team up if you
I've done a lesson of math.
All right, we ready to refocus?
So just use 3%.
Do you guys remember talking about algebraic phrases? Like
Yeah, what, this
seven
is
more than a number. How do you say seven more than a number?
7.
7 with the little alligator eating the.
No, that's seven greater than a number.
Yeah.
But
What?
that's actually seven is greater than a number. But to say seven more than a number, it's plus, right? Like if Henry is 2 years more than Mark,
No, I'm 4 years younger than him.
then you add
He's a year
2
and a
to
half
Mark's
younger.
age, right?
4 years younger than him.
a year and a half.
Okay,
Get your math.
so those are algebraic phrases. What's the difference between a phrase and a sentence?
Shorter.
Phrase uses like symbols.
In English, what's the difference between a phrase and a
A
sentence?
phrase is shorter.
Phrase is shorter, and it's not a complete sentence, right? It doesn't have a verb. It has like a noun or like,
I didn't take a notebook.
just like Nathan.
My brother.
My
That's
brother?
Where?
Nathan, while at school, that's not a sentence, right? There's no verb. We don't know what he did. Okay, so algebraic sentence have verbs. What's the verb in algebra?
Run. It's a verb. That's what my mommy told me.
Verb is usually in algebra. Give me an example of a verb.
Multiply.
So 7 times 6. Is that a complete sentence?
No.
No.
No, because it's not a complete problem. 7 times 6 equals 42. That's a complete sentence. So the word is.
Which is 7 next to it.
What does the word is mean in math?
Multiplication.
Nope.
Equals.
Equal.
Multiplication.
You could even say 7 is greater than 5. So an inequality,
But then 7 doesn't equal 5 now.
right, but you just said a complete sentence, right?
Oh,
7
wait.
is greater than 5.
Yeah.
So these are all verbs in math. These are really the only verbs that we're going to deal with, but really right now this is our only verb. So we're just going to translate English into math. You're going to like this. Ready?
Oh, I'm not. I hate word problems.
How do you say in math twice a number is 11?
2 times number equals 11.
Okay, that's not math yet.
Oh.
Twice a number is
What on
11.
earth?
You said number.
Right
Number
here.
doesn't belong in
2
math. That's a
times
word.
n
Wait, I have it.
11.
2n equals 11.
That's
There
what
it
this,
is.
basically.
So you said 2 times a number equals 11.
I did.
Well,
I did this. I did.
In math, we change our unknowns to variables.
What if
and-
wait, Mr. Flack, can't I just write down on the test
I
2
did-
times number equals 11?
Well, you could spell out the word. You could, but then in math, you just want to keep it simple.
It'll write me one note.
That's our number one goal. Keep it simple. Simplified means as least amount of ink or lead as possible. Okay. What about this?
What are you doing behind your
What's in
book?
the back?
Hey, that's me. That's me.
No. I didn't read it like that, man.
6 times a number increased by 5 is 17. How do you write that? Okay, anyone else?
Oh, I
David,
have
like
it.
the first one. Anyone else want to take this one?
6. Wait.
6. I got it.
6n
6 and
plus 2. Wait, increase by
6
5?
6
Oh, 5.
n plus 5.
5.
6
I
n
thought
plus
that
5
was a 2. I
equals
thought it was a 2.
6 n plus 5 equals 17.
Okay.
Great job,
All
Jordan.
right, and you can probably solve this. A few of you skipped this problem. I'm not going to say who did, but we can solve this, all right? How do we solve for n? How do we get n by itself? What guards do we have to take out?
The 5 and the 6.
Yeah, let's take out the 5 first. Some of you tried to take out this guard first. I think it was a -3
Instead of n.
on the test. You
question
tried to
was this?
divide. I think this was you, Annie. You still got it. Good. But you divide. I know,
Don't worry.
but it's
I
good.
think it was you.
I'm
I
glad.
skipped this one.
Because you tried to divide first, and you divided everything by 6, and then it just made everything crazy. So get rid of the 5 first. Shh. And so you get 6n equals 12. Do you see how we did that, everybody? Look up here. Get rid of one thing at a time. If it's being added 5, subtract 5. And now divide by 6. And I think I did this on your test to correct it, because putting a line under it was confusing for some of you. But if it's 6 times n divided by 6, that cancels that. And you're left with 12 divided by 6, which is 2. So what you're going to be asked to do in your homework is translate and solve. Okay? Since it is a sentence, the phrases you just could only translate. You can't solve a phrase,
Yes, you can.
right? 7 more than a number. What does that even mean? What are you solving? 7 can be more than any number. But if I say 7 more than a number is 12, then I can figure out what that number was.
I don't know what that number
Well,
was.
technically, I could just use the arrow stuff in the top right corner.
It's 5.
No, 7 is more than a number is what those arrows are.
Oh.
7 more than a number or 7 greater than a number is not less than or equal to. It's addition. Do you see the difference? If I say 7 is greater than a number, that's the inequality symbol. But 7 greater than a number is 7 plus n, or n plus 7. Okay, I'm glad you brought that up, because that's a very confusing thing for a lot of people. Okay, let's do this. Ready? This is what some of your homework's going to look like. How about we do a free problem set?
Banish Daniel from getting free problem sets, please.
Banish me.
So, I want you to translate and solve, okay? I want you to translate and solve. If I see the translation and the what it equals, then I will give you a free problem set. I need to see the translation and solving, okay? The sum of twice a number and 42 is 128.
Dang.
Okay, but where's the answer?
Right here. What? Wait. What am I supposed to be writing?
Translate and solve for
I should be writing the answer, Henry.
I did it. What?
Alright, I think I got it.
So translation.
Oh, there we go.
So translation.
What?
And then
This is right here.
I got it.
This is the correct answer. What?
I got it.
The sum of twice a number and 42. Oh,
Good job.
yeah, right here. I got it.
you also have to get what n is though.
That's the translation, but you have not solved for n.
Oh, you're supposed to write N? I didn't know that.
No, you wrote n. You wrote a
Did you get-
translation, but then you have to figure out what n is.
I didn't know you were supposed to do that.
I said it like
Why did you just write on my paper?
I don't know. I was gonna write 43.
What'd you get?
Jordan, why are you being a bully? Do you have a crush on him?
Oh, you did.
I think I know the answer.
No.
I think I know the answer.
I
Okay,
okay,
it's all right.
43.
Okay, how do you say,
Is it
first of all, what
43?
does the sum mean?
No, it's not.
I did it. I did
It's
it.
not
Okay.
43.
So this is what we're summing. Twice a number and 42. How do you say twice a number?
2 times.
2n. How do you say 42?
It's 43.
How do you say is?
Equal.
And 128. So this is your
Easy
translation.
money.
It doesn't have to be n, it could be x, any variable. Now you have to solve for that variable. So we have to free this guy of his 2 guards. What's the easier one to take out first?
42.
So let's subtract 42. And what do you get? 86? Or
86.
86, is that right? So
Yeah.
2n, you're left with 2n on this side.
Yeah, that's
And that's 86. Now, how do you get the n by itself?
Eliminate 2.
Now we divide by 2. Do you guys see that, everyone who didn't try this problem or did it wrong? Now, to get rid of that 2, since that 2 is multiplying, we're going to divide by 2 on both sides. N equals 43.
I knew it!
Okay?
You sure?
Somebody else already solved it, Mark.
I know.
All right. You guys want another free problem set?
Yeah.
No. I'm scared.
Okay.
No,
Dan,
I already got one.
can you remind me to give you your free problem set?
Do I get one?
Banish him. Give them to Mark.
I already have. I have like 12 or 13 now.
Banish him.
Here we go.
There's not even gonna be 2 lessons.
Okay. I'm going to warn you. I'm going to warn you that this one is a little confusing if you don't remember what we did when we saw this phrase. 27 less than the product
Oh my gosh.
of 3 and a number is 144.
This is so annoying.
So write the translation and then solve for that number.
Goodness, where's a calculator? I need a calculator. Calculator.
I already did my one.
Oh, well, I didn't.
I got it.
Oh, did he get it first?
I got it.
Oh, maybe I don't look afterwards.
I didn't translate it. I didn't translate it.
Ding.
44, 49.
That's not right.
Oh no.
That is 144, sorry.
What?
Wait,
That's
is
not
it?
149.
Wait.
You betrayed me.
No, this isn't
I
correct.
did get the right
I did this
answer.
wrong. I did
I
this
think.
way wrong. Oh no. No.
No, that wouldn't have been right.
Ah.
Can you guys clean up before?
Yes, I have it. I have it.
No, I meant something I've done.
No, you have the same answer. as-
There's no way. No, Daniel. What? That's impossible.
You guys made the same mistake, apparently.
I think I got it. I don't think I have it.
Where I have it.
No.
Is this
All right,
it?
you did the same thing where you, and it's the product. Remember,
I have it.
Addition, it's multiplication.
I have it.
Ding dong.
Oh.
Hey.
Where's your translation?
Right here.
Oh, okay, that's why. So you did the same. You did what I. Yeah, that's right.
Is that right?
Wait, Henry, did you
Except
get?
that's not right.
Wait, Henry, did you get?
Wait.
Yes, it is.
Where'd you get?
Are you arguing?
It's
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, Mr. Flack.
We're really.
Right, you said both.
Wait, Henry, did you get 50? Oh no, I also
The
got
answer
50.
is close,
Is
but
this
the translation.
So do I still get it or what?
I'll give.
Wait, I also got 57.
Well, you already got one.
That's the same answer that everyone else.
But I thought he said he.
Is it just 3 times n minus 27 instead of?
The
I think
first free problem
27
sets that we
less
got at the
than
beginning of the year.
Remember
How do you write 27 less than 3?
Oh, it needs to be.
That was not even that much.
Made that exact
To me, it is.
Okay.
Wait, Mr. Flack, is this correct? Even though.
Okay, so did I just,
That's
Mr. Flack, was it just 3
So
times
you
n
made-
minus
So
27?
you made 2 mistakes and it turned out right.
Wait, how did you?
What did I mess up on here?
Because
Why did you make 2 mistakes and turn it out
You
right?
did it backwards.
No.
And then instead of basically, yeah.
It's because I did it on a calculator.
Oh, cheater.
No. It's because I did it on a calculator.
You must have.
144 plus 27 divided by 3. That's so easy.
Yeah, so you did it, you kind of just reverse logicked it. You just reversed engineered it instead of used
But I
algebra.
just did it right on the calculator.
Okay, guys,
There's a cloud that does not-
let's write this. How do you say 27 less than 3n? Because this is 3n, right? The product of 3 and a number is 3n. Henry, how do you say 27 less than 3n?
Minus 27.
Yeah, so it's not 27 minus
So it's just
3n.
reversed. It's not that bad. It's just reversed.
So 5 minus 3 is the same thing as 3 minus 5?
No, but I still got it right.
That's because you just kind of wrote an equation that was wrong. is 144. Okay, so do you see how when you see that word less than, this is like a reverse. If I say 2 less than 10, it's not 2 minus 10, right? It's 2 taken away from 10, so it's 10 minus 2. You have to reverse it. 27 less than 3n is 3n minus 27. Is 144. So how do you get rid of that? So this is, Henry did it in his head. He add,
Calculator.
but you knew in your head, you said, okay, add 27 to 144. But that's how you would solve it, right? Because to get rid of that guard, it's being subtracted. So to get rid of it, you add it. So 3n equals 172. Divide by n. N equals 57.
Henry, we both made the first mistake the first time by subtracting.
We did the same thing.
We subtracted first instead of
Are we
This is
done?
171.
Are we done?
Yeah, you put 59.
You were so close.
How did you get
I
59?
don't know what I did.
We got one more. Should we do one more free problem set?
No.
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 No, it's
No?
not.
Mark's not even gonna try.
Oh, yeah.
The only smart people in this already got stuff.
Wow, that's not very nice.
Except Jordan, I guess.
I guess.
Everyone else,
I mean, Jordan hasn't got one
But
yet,
you
so.
should probably just not talk.
to be honest, Mark,
You
I
have
think
more friends.
they could do it. They could
Okay,
totally
what?
try.
Wait, what did you just say?
Maybe.
Wait. Are you still filming?
Okay, last one. Ready? You can still get a free problem set. Ready?
Yeah, Mark started it. Let's go.
Four more than the product. More than the product of a number and 33 equals, ooh, there's a hard one to translate, negative 95.
Good thing I'm not doing this
Oh,
one.
what the?
Can I not doing this one.
Can I get some water?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm so hungry.
I know you are.
Yeah.
4 more than the
Alright.
product of a number and 33
I got it.
equals negative 95.
Alright, can you try mine?
Blue Talkies are so good. I just had them. They're so good. I had them yesterday
Yeah.
for dinner, and they were so good.
For dinner.
They were so good.
Alright, can you guys clean this up? If you're not gonna participate, you can clean up that part, please.
Yeah, I already cleaned up all the.
Ooh, I think
It
try
was a half-drinking protein shake. It's like a month old in my backpack.
Oh, it smells disgusting.
It just smells like a protein shake, bro. You're
Oh.
weird. Oh, you never had that much protein, do you?
This is right, but. Actually, I think
It feels like it's.
It feels like it smells disgusting.
it's also probably wrong.
Yeah, bro, I feel it.
Because it's normally 7th and 8th grade Wednesdays, but they are moving up to 6th graders at the moment and 7th grade.
Henry,
They missed the summer holiday.
Okay, I'm coming.
Don't let Jordan in. Henry, let Jordan in.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay.
We just got goddamn what?
Yeah.
It's right here.
I think we did that. I forgot to learn how to take 4, right? Right? Is it
So if it's 4 more than that, if you're gonna go backwards, 4 more than that, it's really taking a negative. So 4 more than the product of.
Look at Henry's sandwich.
You're right.
Reverse
Look,
engineer.
feel how thin it is right here.
Backwards. So if it was
It's
4
so
more than
thin
that,
right
it's
there.
gonna be 4 less than negative 95, which is negative 99.
Can I come over to your house?
No.
Then the
I already
product
ate all
of
my
33 times the number
No,
is
you
gonna be
haven't.
negative.
Those were all my pockets.
Negative
Fuck
3.
it.
Yo, Henry, I love doing this.
Now let me
Where you
let's do this real quick, guys. 4 more than, you don't care about reversing,
Stop
but it's
watching YouTube shorts, Jordan.
so 4 more than something. You don't have to say plus 4. You could just say 4 plus. But the product of a number and 33. How do you say the product of a number and 33?
Times,
wait,
and
what?
Times.
has 33.
Yep, or since we like numbers first in multiplication and you can reverse multiplication, I'm gonna say 33n. Is it snowing?
Yes, it is definitely
It's snowing?
Yeah.
Thank gosh
I'm
I
gonna need the snow angel.
So guys, look up here, please. We have so much time left. Put your backpacks down and sit down. See how this is 4 more than, not is greater than or is more than, 4 more than the product of a number and 33. See that? Does that make sense? And then you got equals negative 95. All right, so let's solve this. This is hard to do in your head. This is hard to do without algebra. So let's take out these guards. How do you get rid of that plus 4?
Subtract
Can
4.
I use my calculator?
Yep. And what happens when you subtract 4 from an already negative 95?
Make it bigger.
Number 1.
Dude, my knee's starting to actually hurt now.
I don't know why I said like a band-aid or something.
Okay, now how do you get rid of that 33?
Get a jumbo band-aid.
Divide by 33. And that goes in exactly 3 times, but a negative divided by a positive is a negative.
We should do another conversation.
Okay, here's something I noticed on your test. You guys kind of freaked out a little bit
I did.
with the whole chicken scratching thing.
Yeah, I did.
What?
Oh, that.
So everybody look up here, please. Negative 5 minus negative 4. How do you do that? Okay.
Chicken scratch.
Negative 5 plus 4.
Okay, here's what some of you did. You just kind of went like this.
No.
That's not okay. Okay?
Because I did not do that.
So this is just negative 5. And whenever you see subtraction, you change it. So negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1.
Yeah!
Okay? So only change whenever you see subtraction. So 5 minus 3. Here's what else some of you did. Watch, look up here. You went like this. You went boom, boom, boom. Okay? Only do the one on the right.
Did
Okay?
I do that? There's no
Wait,
way I
Mr.
did
Flack,
that.
what if there's a
I don't
minus
remember
sign?
who did what, but there's a lot of mistakes on these. We got to figure this out.
Well, Mr. Flack, what
Okay.
if there's a minus sign before the first number? So you
Then
can't.
you-
Okay? Then it wouldn't be a minus sign. You'll never see that.
No, on one of the.
That is a negative sign.
Or,
That
No.
means negative 5, but it does not mean minus 5. But even if it did, you could chicken scratch it, and it's still negative 5, right?
There was a problem where it had like a minus sign and then a parenthesis, in parentheses -5, and then the rest of the column.
Yeah, so that would be boom boom. Or a negative 5. You can still do that. So you can treat negative signs like a subtraction sign. It's just like at some point you're gonna have to stop. Because like minus 5 is gonna be plus -5. Oh hey, there's another negative side, so let's chicken scratch. You can chicken scratch for eternity and you'll still end up with -5, okay?
Unless you're
what if I
really
wanted
talented.
chicken scratch for eternity?
What if I'm him?
Okay, I just wanted to point a couple things out that I saw in the
Black math, give me some math and I'll give you some flack. Black math.